Best laptop for cryptocurrency trading. Cryptocurrency trading is an exceptional and professional business to start. So, if you want to start this trading, you can use any of the best and most affordable laptops. Here, we will share some of the best laptops for cryptocurrency trading. So, make sure to like, share, and comment on this video. Now, without any delay, let's start with this list. Number 1. HP Spectre X360. Here, we have another best laptop for cryptocurrency trading. The HP Spectre X360 is an extraordinary choice for crypto trading. It has been designed particularly for Forex investors and for cryptocurrency buyers searching out a slim, portable, and extensive battery existence device for day trading. Well, it has a 1.3 GHz Intel Core i7-1065 G7 processor that may be boosted to 4 GHz with the usage of the Intel Turbo Boost technology. It is blended with the effective Intel Iris Plus. The stunning 13.3-inch diagonal FHD IPS micro-side WLED backlit contact display screen show is the whole thing you've been searching for in a PC screen. With extremely good readability and colors, experience the overall HD view for your laptop screens. It's prepared with 16 GB RAM and a 512 GB SSD drive for immediate information access. This PC weighs the most effective 2.88 kilos and might be available and accessible for all of your tour needs. In fact, you may use it as a tab, with the HB stylus pen covered with it. Moreover, Happening introduced safety with the fingerprint release option. Its battery lasts as much as 18 hours, sufficient so that you can sustain the whole day searching at charts. It comes with Windows 10 Season 64-bit, the modern model of the working system. So, if you like this one, you can choose this device for your cryptocurrency trading. Now, let's have a look at the next one, and let's see what we have at the next option. Number 2. Asus Zenbook 14. If Forex or crypto stocking is your ultimate profession, you cannot move incorrect with the brand new Asus Zenbook 14. This notebook adheres to each expert requirement theirs and exceeds traders' expectations. Now, if we talk about processing electricity as it is the main concern, Asus owns the Intel Core i7-1195 G7 chipset. This SoC assumes faster clock speeds of as much as 5 GHz, which is extra than sufficient for dealing with foreign exchange trading, charting, and technical systems without device slowdowns. There is likewise an Access Variety MX450 GPU in place, permitting you to view the technical charts and inputs at an awesome degree of quality. Also, when you are executed trading, the devoted graphics card facilitates you happening a few mid-variety games as part of the cooldown process. Now, if we could talk regarding device memory, Asus gives 16 GB RAM, which makes it simpler in an effort to control a couple of interfaces without pushing the device to the brink. And according to the space concerned, you can get a 1 TB NVMe like-minded solid system force with this Asus laptop. So, in simple words, this laptop is a hit that can easily perform all tasks regarding cryptocurrency trading. Now, let's move to the next option and let you see what we have at the next option. Number 3. HP Pavilion 15. Nothing offers extra energy for your cryptocurrency and Forex work than a performance-centered chipset. This is precisely why the brand new and progressed HP Pavilion 15 makes the reduce, because it lets you perform all activities carefully with an 11th gen chipset and achieve the end result of the considerable piece of device memory. The Intel Core i7-1165 G7 processor calls the pictures and lets you make exceptional use of the faster increased technology. With a clock velocity of as much as 4.7 GHz, you could effortlessly control NASDAQ and different worldwide crypto and Forex exchange trade without breaking a sweat. The tool additionally has integrated Intel Iris E graphics. Plus, the 16 GB RAM lets you run a couple of software program modules on the laptop, which includes the likes of Webble for investment, TD Ameritrade for swing traders, and the Trading View for running with charting equipment and sharing your ideas. Storing files, videos, and ebooks is not a stretch because the 512 GB stable system force gives enough area to the traders. The Space module additionally boots up the Windows 10 Pro OS in clearly no time. The 3.86-pound aesthetically powered notepad additionally have a beefed-up battery module able to churning out near 8 hours on popular usage. Overall, the HP Pavilion 15 is one of the higher inventory trading laptops. Furnish you're a high-stage dealer and searching out the maximum current hardware for a lag-loose experience. So, now, let's have a look at the next option, and let's see what we have at the next slot. Number 4. LG Gram 15. Here we have another best laptop that you can easily use for trading work. It provides solid performances, a mid-version RAID, an extremely good battery existence, making LG Gram 15 an absolutely appropriate preference for cryptocurrency trading and investors on the move. A 1-on battery price offers you as much as 17 hours of juice. Bear in thoughts that is a manufacturer's claim. For mild to medium trading, you could realistically anticipate around 14 hours. Now, RAM and space aren't great. However, they may be now no longer horrific both in this price range. 512 GB is lots of space, and 8 GB RAM has to do all functions for maximum online trading platforms. However, in case you are an expert dealer who makes use of laptop trading software, I might like this for 16 GB RAM. Bonus factors that come with LG for the backlit keyboard and HDMI slot for outside displays. These are beneficial in case you do your job at nighttime and prefer studying trading charts on more than one screen. LG Crisp 15.6 Full HD screen occasionally simply would not reduce it. I genuinely love the construct and look of LG Gram. It's lightweight 2.4 pounds but robust, so this effortlessly makes it one of my best choices for longer trips. Its strong production ought to deal with them. Speakers are slightly good enough that it is great to apply earphones for songs and videos. The webcam, on the alternative hand, is a whole lot better. You don't have any trouble with video conferences. All matters considered, that is a great, reliable, mild gadget for investors who travels a lot. So, here we have all about the best laptop for cryptocurrency trading. So, if you want to start this work, or you are a pro trader, then you can choose any of these laptops for your cryptocurrency trading. And yes, if you like these options, then do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And you can also check the links given in the description box for further details.